Good afternoon, boys and girls. Mr. Boo here, of Penang, trying to demonstrate the action of heat on lead-2 nitrate. Now what we have here will be remnants of some of the lead-2 nitrate I used last Wednesday. Most of it is still the white solid with a bit of tinge of yellow of the lead-2 oxide. So what I'll do is to heat strongly over the flame, and we shall see what happens. Now remember, this is actually thermal decomposition of lead-2 nitrate, which will give you, of course, the lead-2 oxide, which we will see the color of this. But more importantly, it will also release two gases. One which you will see very, very soon right now, brown gas, which is nitrogen dioxide. You can see the fumes coming out from top of the boiling tube. Now, this is done, of course, in a very safe environment out in the open. NO2, of course, will be pungent in smell, but not to worry. It's quite intense, but it's flowing out into the atmosphere and disappearing. It's also going to release actually also oxygen, which is not easy to test because we'll be using a glowing splinter, which should be lighted. Yeah. Now, at this moment, you can hear cackling sound of the lead-2 nitrate reaching its boiling point. Thermal decomposition is well underway with full-fledged release of the nitrogen dioxide gas, NO2. And as the cackling slows down and the release of the NO2 also gets less, this will tell us that our decomposition is near completion. Now it's bubbling and reaching its boiling point. Perhaps at this point now we can pause the heating. I will stop the heating right now, and as we let the temperature subsides. Now if you notice, the oxide actually is quite bright color. Well, in theory we will call it actually brown, but now slowly as it cools